Hello everyone, the Sydney Trains and New South Wales Training Channel speaking to you, and welcome to the 2-year anniversary special. I'd like to thank everyone for helping me get this far, especially those who have subscribed to the channel, left feedback or a positive comment. It has greatly helped. Now I'm at Town Hall on platform number 5, and today I'm going to be focusing on the T4 Eastern Suburbs Line. So I'm going to film a few trains here, and then a few trains at Martin Place, King's Cross, Edgecliff, and then Bondi Junction. So the next train is in 2 minutes, and it's about to arrive, I'm pretty sure. So Town Hall's looking better than what it was a couple of years ago now, when I last saw it anyway, or when it was 2 years ago. And the indicator lights have gone off, which means there is a Bondi Junction service approaching platform number 5 soon. It should be a Tangara. Well, we're playing wait for Tangara, so right, so it is approaching platform number 5, Bondi Junction service. We are there to believe. Here we are. The leading set, T19. T19 leading a Bondi Junction service departing platform 5. The leading set, T19, as I said. Rear forecast T25. Next Bondi Junction service to arrive into platform 5 due in 6 minutes.
Platform 5 goes to Bondi Junction. First stop, Martin Place, then King's Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction.
We have an 8-car Oscar arriving to platform 5 Bondi Junction service, stopping Martin Place, King's Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. This train had come from Kiama or Wollongong, I don't know. The leading set, H13. Anyway guys, I will see you at Martin Place. Now at Martin Place, we have that Oscar that you just saw at Town Hall departing platform 2, the leading set, H13. It is an 8-car Oscar and it is returned from Kiama. And while I'm at it, before the doors close, there are the new passenger information display screens right there. We now have that 8-car Oscar departing platform 2, Bondi Junction service, stopping King's Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. H15 was the rear. Just to give you an overview of the PIDs.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Bondi Junction. First stop, King's Cross, then Edgecliff and Bondi Junction.
And here is an overview of Martin Place platform 2. And instead of the signs, like the usual block signs, they have have letters in the wall, stuck onto walls. So Martin Place, Martin Place, Martin Place. The reason why they have all the 3 letters is all the 3 station names on consecutive like that is for passengers on all 3 levels of the train to clearly identify what station we are at. So for example, you would read the top row if you're on the top, middle if you're on the vestibule and saloon area, and the bottom if you're on lower deck. And yeah, and we have a waterfall or a Cronulla service arriving into platform number 2. The leading set, T54, the rear 4 cars, T1. So this is a Cronulla service stopping at all stations to Central, then Redfern, Sydenham, Walleye Creek, Rockdale, Kogarah, Hurstville, Penshurst, and all stations to Sutherland, and then all stations to Cronulla. And T51, T4 and T54 and T1 departing there. And we also have another Tangara arriving to platform number 2 Bondi Junction service, stopping King's Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. The front 4 cars, T129, which is XG29 and has M-set doors. Anyway guys, I will see you at King's Cross. Here we are at King's Cross. We have T129 leading a service to Bondi Junction, stopping Edgecliff and Bondi Junction only. But with T129, it has the old Grant Goulburn announcement, which is awesome. And they're doing a bit of construction work here at King's Cross, because this paint here is nice and shiny, and they've blocked out the letters for King's Cross there. So I'll just move up a bit. T129 leading a service to Bondi Junction, departing platform 2. Apologies if it was a bit rushed for Town Hall and Martin Place, because there were a lot of people there. The rear 4 cars is also an XG set without the M set doors though. T126, which is XG26. So King's Cross also has the new PIDs, which is interesting. I'll just give you another overview of them. That's platform 2. And over there is platform 1. The next service on platform 1 is due in 3 minutes, and it's a waterfall service via Banksia. So yeah, as I said, they're doing a bit of construction work here. The next service on platform 2 is not until 10:41. And as you can see, there is a little cutting of light, because there's always light at the end of the tunnel, as they say. That is the exit of the entry exit sort of thing to the Woolloomooloo Viaduct, which goes near the Art Gallery of New South Wales, the Eastern Distributor, and the nearby suburb of Woolloomooloo. Now I will rush over to the other platform, because there is a waterfall service about to arrive onto platform number 1. Or not. Sorry, I lied. T24 being the front 4 cars, and T5 I think being the rear 4 cars. Waterfall service via Banksia, stopping at Martin Place, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Sydenham, Tempe, Walleye Creek, then all stations to Hurstville, Penshurst, Mortdale, Janali, Sutherland, and all stations to Waterfall. T24 and T5 preparing to depart platform 1 for a Waterfall via Banksia service. Reset is T5. The next service on platform 1 is a Cronulla service. And I would duck over to platform 2. Not that there's a train coming, I just felt like walking. I'll just give you a bit of a look at the middle. So there are your two escalators. You go up to Bayswater Road or something. I don't know. And yeah, construction site. They're obviously just repairing a bit of the bricks there. Although these bricks here, bricks I should say, not brooks, because I'm not New Zealand. I think they are new also. Never thought I'd think about food when I'm on a train station, but anyway, that's not what we are focusing on. Bit of a look of King's Cross while I'm here. It's platform 2, services to Bondi Junction and all that crap. Well, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction, I should say. And I'll just give you a bit of an in-depth look of the paint. The new paint that is just being laid onto the walls. And King's Cross also has the letters stuck into their walls as a station sign. King's Cross, cross, cross. Well, the king must be really, really cross then. I know, bad pun. Anyway, the colour is like a light blue, and you can actually find them up here. And we have a Bondi Junction service arriving into platform number 2. Sorry, I had a mental blank. I completely forgot what number we're on. Anyway, coming into darkness out of the Woolloomooloo Viaduct, the leading set, T22. I will see you guys now at Edgecliff. Just as an added bonus, I thought I'd film the Rushcutters Bay Viaduct between King's Cross and Edgecliff. Playing oval, lots of terrace houses. So we're in the suburb of Rushcutters Bay. And now here we are at Edgecliff. We've got that Tangara that you saw at King's Cross, the latest Tangara that you saw, departing platform number 2, Bondi Junction only, service stopping at Bondi Junction only. The leading set, T22. T16. Just give you a look of Edgecliff. They've got the new orange signs on the walls. So yeah, I must say I sincerely apologise for every awkward camera angle that you might have seen in this video, because there are a lot of people around, and say if a train comes and I'm not there in time, well, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. So yeah, so I apologise deeply. While I'm at it, here is the New pit again. Or passenger information display screens. If you're a nerd like me. So, 7 minutes Bondi Junction service, and 5 minutes Cronulla service, stopping all stations to Central, then Redfern, Sydenham, Bolli Creek, Rockdale, Cogra, Hurstville, Penshurst, and all stations to Sutherland, and all to Cronulla. And while I'm at it, might as well just get a few packets of twisties. No, I'm just kidding. But I like vending machines. To fill up the time, I might as well just show you. Nothing like a bit of food in a 2-year anniversary special. Doritos, Twisties, Red Rock Deli. Oh yeah, just out of curiosity, if you have a favourite Red Rock Deli chip flavour. I know it's a bit stupid to say this in a 2-year anniversary special, but I'm just interested. Please let me know what your favourite Red Rock Deli flavour chip you have. Or Smiths, for a matter of fact. Or Doritos, I don't really care. As long as it's a chip of some sort, let me know. Messina and Chill. So, Gelato Messina is in a few locations. One's in Surrey Hills, the other one's in Darlinghurst, and another one I can't even remember because I didn't even look up the website. But anyway, and we have a commercial service shortly arriving at platform 1. Yeah, get it right. It's 1. And the wind is blowing. It is T126 and T129 again. Thank you, Grant Goldman. We have T126 and T129 now departing platform 1 for Cronulla. This is the Tangara you saw at King's Cross and Martin Place. Got a good photo of T129 for you guys. Stunning. And quickly, we have another Tangara. T95 being the front 4 cars. I think because there are less people here, I might do one extra train here, just because I feel like it, but just to keep the thing long. Go. There are the doors closing on what is it? 95. Departing platform 2, Bondi Junction only service. I'll face that way actually. The rear 4 cars have M-set doors. And that is T15. So the next Bondi Junction service to arrive onto platform number 2 should be a 4-car Oscar returning from Kiama. Yeah, as I said, I apologise for every single awkward camera angle. There were a lot of people on the platform. There might have been a train that was already on the other platform that I had to duck over to. Or it's just me not looking at the camera like I am doing now, so I better look at the camera. There we go. Actually, I might as well go over to the signs, which also have letters stuck into the walls. And they have, appropriately, City Trains and New South Wales training colours. Not the channel name, of course, but Sydney Trains colour, orange, red, or light orange, dark orange New South Wales train link. So yeah, it's a 4-car Oscar that we will see returning from Kiama. So yeah, but not go into the emergency lighting battery room. Jeez, that's a tongue twister. Anyway, that was probably an awkward camera angle then, so I apologise for it. And yeah, the next service on platform number 1 is to Waterfall via Banksia. Stopping first at King's Cross, the Martin Place, Town Hall Central, Redfern, Sydenham, Tempe, Walleye Creek, and all stations to Hurstville, Penshurst, and Mortdale, Genali, Sutherland, and all stations to Waterfall. And there's vending machines again. So yeah, as I said, with the Red Rock Deli chips and all that, let me know if you have a favourite flavour, because I love them too. And there's the kid. And here's the Oscar. H39 is the set. Anyway guys, I will see you at the final station, Bondi Junction. And here we are at the end of the line, Bondi Junction. Bondi Junction is the terminus of the T4 Eastern Suburbs and Illawarra line.
Please do not join this train.
Here we have H39, just the 4-car set.
Platform 1 terminates here. Please do not join this train.
The destination board says Central, so yeah, it must be going to the Everleigh Maintenance Centre or yards of some sort.
Standing at platform 1 terminates here. Please do not join this train.
And now H39 is departing platform 1, empty cars.
The train on this platform terminates here. Please do not board this train. For your next service, please listen to announcements and check platform screens. Thank you.
Empty cars this train is. It is returning. Hello, good morning everyone. It's another stunning day here at Bondi Junction. No, just kidding. It will go to Everleigh.
This platform terminates here. Please do not board. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Cronulla via Cobra. First stop, Edgecliff, then King's Cross, Martin Place, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Sydenham, Walleye Creek, Rockdale, Cobra, Hurstville, then all stations to Sutherland, and then all stations to Cronulla.
I was wondering why it was so loud. That's because I'm actually directly under a speaker. And a security camera. Oh well. Let's go over to platform number 2 and see what train we have on there. We have a Tangara. And it's a Cronulla service.
The train on platform 2 goes to Cronulla.
I don't even know what the sets are, but I clearly identify the car numbers. So I'll go up to the middle. It might be T95 and T15. Yeah, it would be actually. T95 and T15 it would be. I think. Hope I'm correct. Yep, T95, T15. Cronulla service. There's the flashing guard light there. And I've noticed that in all Tangara driver compartments, there is actually remnants of an unrefurbished seat. There is a vinyl seat in each of the Tangara's driving cabins. Can't go in because there's someone there obviously, but final seats in the driver compartment. This is T8 arriving into platform 1, Cronulla service via Kogarah. The rear 4 cars. T51. We have T95 and T15, apologies for the late entrance, departing platform number 2, Cronulla service. There goes the guard. And guess what? We have another Oscar that will arrive into platform number 2 very shortly for Kiama service, stopping first at all stations to Central, then Redfern, Wallach Creek, Hurstville, Sutherland, Waterfall, Helensburgh, Thirroul, North Wollongong, Coddeston, Unanderra, Kempler Grange, Racecourse, Dapto, Albion Park, Oak Flats, Shell Harbour Junction, Minamara, Bombo and Kiama. Leading the service into platform number 2 for Kiama. The rear 4 cars . H13. So this was a train that terminated and then returned. I don't know. But I've seen H13 today, so it must have been this one. So this Kiama service will be departing very, very, very shortly. I'll walk up a bit and get it from the seat. This is car ONL 5963, so this is H13 and the leading set is H15. I'm pretty sure we saw both of these sets as an 8-car set. I'm not entirely sure. Let me know if I did, because I can't even remember. But I probably did, actually. Probably did get H13 and H15 at Town Hall and Martin Place. They're now departing platform number 2 for Kiama.
North Wollongong,
you enjoyed it. It was an extensive 2-year anniversary special, I hope, just covering the T4 Eastern Suburbs Line between Town Hall and Bondi Junction. Unfortunately, I was not able to get Central or Redfern due to the time restrictions that I have. So anyway, I'm going to wrap the tour up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. I will see you all next time. Goodbye for now.